Tony and Corey here, your weekend warriors. Here's 5 things you need to do before winter
that we always seem to forget.
Number 1, a very simple precautionary measure. Put a faucet protector on your hose bib. First thing you gotta do, disconnect your hose and drain your hose. If the hose is hooked up, it will freeze and the water inside that will freeze. Slip the rubber band right over the top of your handle. And then pull the tab tight. And there you go.
Number 2, make sure you get your gutters cleaned out because you don't want any water left in here because it'll freeze if you leave it over winter. And since you're up here, make sure you bring a hammer. That way you can tighten up any of these loose gutter spikes. And the other thing I like to do while I'm up here is install these in all of the downspouts. It'll prevent them from clogging next spring. Number 3, I always forget to take care of my patio furniture until it's too late. Make sure you put your umbrellas and your pillows away and cover up all that expensive furniture. All right, Tony, number 4. To keep the ethanol in our fuel from gumming up all of our small engines, we need to get rid of the gas. So rather than dump it out, we're going to use a pump and pump it back into the container which we got it from.
All right, folks, last but not least, here's number 5. It's cold outside, we're running the heater, and we need to check and replace the furnace filter frequently. Also, you need to reprogram your thermostat for the cold winter months. And now the thermostat.
All right, it's all set. I got the heat program to turn on instead of the air conditioner.
That'll keep you warm.
Absolutely. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe down below. If you have anything that you feel like needs to be done before winter, leave those down in the comments below. This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show.
We'll see you next time.